A Gothic door beckons beneath a steep, mossy roof. Lush white roses and ivy embrace the stone, turning the path into a whimsical fairy tale dream bathed in soft, enchanting light. Sunlight streams upon the charming stone cottage, where lush ivy and vibrant blooms dance in the breeze. A path leads to peace, highlighting nature's serene and tranquil embrace. Beneath a rustic arch of blooming white roses, the stone pathway winds to a blue door. This curated wilderness, bathed in soft daylight, offers a sanctuary of abundant greenery. An ancient, ajar door whispers of hidden magic within the stone arch. Sunlight filters through lush ferns, illuminating a path to a forgotten forest of deep, mysterious beauty. Ornate topiaries guard the path to a hidden stone door, framed by wild ivy and climbing roses. This old-world garden, a blend of order and nature, exhales a tranquil beauty. Golden sunset light bathes the manicured garden, where a picket fence leads to an overgrown arch. Beyond the blue flowers, a smoking chimney promises a serene, idyllic warmth. Ivy and white roses drape elegantly over the arched stone entrance, framing the rustic wooden door. Soft light touches the verdant garden, evoking pure English countryside charm. Warmly lit windows glow behind a profusion of pink and white roses. The floral archway creates a magical entrance, inviting you into a world of serene, idyllic countryside beauty. White wisteria cascades over the stone facade, framing a door of intricate glass. Cobblestones and ferns create a secluded haven, where soft light reveals nature's rustic charm. Under a thatched roof, the cottage glows with warmth, embraced by climbing pink roses. The stone path invites you through the garden, capturing the essence of English beauty. Sunlight filters through a profusion of blooms, where roses cascade down rustic brick walls. The winding path, lined with lavender and terracotta, leads to a tranquil paradise. Weathered stones and mossy ivy guard the entrance to a shaded forest realm. Dappled sunlight falls on the worn path, leading the way to a secret garden of forgotten tranquility. A wooden pergola draped in wisteria frames the warm, welcoming door. Sunlight dances on the stone path and lavender, creating a picture of serene beauty and perfect domesticity. Vibrant red blooms and lush ivy form a natural archway over the rustic stone path. The traditional cottage, bathed in bright daylight, stands as a beacon of countryside charm. Cascading purple wisteria adorns the rustic pergola, shading the inviting wooden door. Topiaries and lavender line the flagstone path, celebrating a sunny day of idyllic peace.